Having been used for more than 2,000 years in ship and yacht building, teak decks maintain their exclusive splendor even today. Under dry as well as wet conditions, these beautiful and durable high-quality teak planks guarantee anti-slip properties, and the teak deck protects the subdeck against the influences of weather. Bostik's nautical specialists cooperate closely with their customers to offer support and advise them on the best way to bond and caulk their decks, based on their extensive knowledge and experience. Bostik's Marine Special range has been developed specifically to face the tough requirements of the marine industry, as well as the latest safety standards. With Bostik, you can face even the most extreme weather conditions with confidence. Working under the right conditions is of major importance for a good end result. During application, the deck should be protected from direct sunlight and rain. Working indoors in a conditioned area provides the best results. Bonding and caulking a teak deck is done in 13 steps. In this application video, we will guide you through each of these steps. For the recaulking of a teak deck, steps 6 to 13 have to be followed after the old deck caulk is removed. Bonding a teak deck onto the subdeck starts with cleaning and priming of the subdeck. Before you start applying MSR bedding compound onto the subdeck, it's recommended to first degrease the teak strokes with Cleaner E and pre-treat them with Prep P to improve the adhesion to the porous teak planks. Now you can prepare the subdeck for the application of the teak planks by applying MSR bedding compound or MSR construction adhesive SSKF, spreading it with a spatula. Bostik has bonding and sealing solutions for various types of decks, from wooden decks, new and old GRP decks, to steel and aluminium decks. The pre-treated teak wood can now be applied onto the MSR bedding compound or MSR construction adhesive. Press the teak strokes into place until the adhesive layer under the teak strokes is approximately 1.5 to 2 millimeters thick. The teak plank should then be fixated by vacuum pressing, dead weights or screws for at least 24 hours. Now the deck is ready for caulking. Bostik MSR Deck Caulk Advanced is a state-of-the-art SMP-based deck caulk with unparalleled aging and chemical resistance properties. MSR Deck Caulk Advanced has better durability and higher performance than other references on the market. First, the seams are cleaned from dust and grease. This can be done with an industrial vacuum cleaner combined with Cleaner E. Then the seam sides of the teak planks are pre-treated with Prep P to improve the adhesion of the deck caulk. A teak deck will shrink and expand due to fluctuations in temperature. Because of its elasticity, the deck caulk will accommodate the shrinkage and expansion of the teak wood without loss of adhesion on the seam sides. Now bond breaker tape is applied to avoid a three-flank bonding, so the caulk can expand between the teak strokes. Every seam is then carefully filled from the bottom to the top to prevent air voids in the seam. Immediately after applying, the deck caulk is pressed onto the seam. Make sure that when the caulking is leveled, there is a minimum of 0.5 millimeter above the deck. This allows the caulk to settle and gaps are avoided. The cured remains of deck caulk can be removed mechanically. After a minimum of 2 days, the deck caulk can be sanded down. First with 80 grain sandpaper, then with fine 120 grain sandpaper. After the deck has been carefully cleaned either with a vacuum cleaner or air hose and pH neutral soap solution, no further treatment is necessary. The deck is now ready for use. With its guaranteed quality and durability, yacht owners have many years of carefree enjoyment in front of them. Would you like to know more about our marine applications? Download Bostik's Marine app. You can download it from the App Store if you search for Bostik Marine Solutions.